ESD PVC flooring tiles from YH Floors, a professional manufacturer in China, are a remarkable choice for various environments, especially in the aspect of long-lasting color. The uniform colors of YH Floors, ESD vinyl tiles are engineered to last. This is supported by our commitment to meet stringent standards, such as color fastness. According to the ISO 105B02 standard, this index is greater than or equal to 6, issued by SGS. For ESD anti-static tiles, an index of 6 or higher signifies exceptional resistance to fading or discoloration under light exposure. This ensures that the static flooring maintains its aesthetic quality and functionality even in environments with constant lighting conditions. In commercial settings such as data centers or electronic manufacturing facilities, where heavy foot traffic and equipment movement are common, the color stability of YH Floors, ESD control flooring tiles is a significant advantage. Unlike traditional flooring options that may fade quickly due to abrasion and exposure to light, these anti-static flooring tiles maintain their original hue. The long-lasting color also contributes to the aesthetic appeal of the space. Whether it's an office space with a modern design or an industrial area that requires a clean and professional look, the consistent color of the static control plastic flooring tiles enhances the overall visual impression. With YH Floors, ESD vinyl flooring tiles, you can be confident that your floors will serve their functional purpose and retain their beautiful color for years.